and welcome back to another episode of Hotel Fever.
Welcome to the
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. It is day 2 in Sydney. Come along and spend the day with us. I can have 2 hash browns?
Yes.
See you soon, Auntie. Love to dinner. Tonight we are having dinner at the steakhouse with our family, the Fuimaonos family and the Som Chongs. So at the steakhouse you can either cook your own steak, or if you're lazy like Val, you can actually get them to cook it for you.
I took my love, I took it down. I climbed the mountain and turned around, and I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills till the landslide brought me down.
Cheesies!
Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love?
Yeah.
Can the child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tides? Can I handle the seasons of my life? Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I've built my life around you. But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older.
Here's my roomie living his best life.
Life around you, but time makes you bolder. Even children get older, and I'm getting older too.
Welcome today to
Together.
I've been afraid of changing.
We ended the night with some brownies from Tealish. If you're in the area, definitely check them out.
But time makes you bolder. Even children get older, and I'm getting older too.
Dad, where are we going?
yeah, one more coconut caramel.
You're so good, Dad. Can I get one caramel? Maybe one normal one, eh? And then you pick the other one. What would the boys want? Not. Yeah.
Nutella, please.
Hello.
How do I do this?
The front. Wow.
Flavors? Mmm.
Oh, go, Dad. Dad, I think you should stand up.
Put your head up, Dad.
No, you can do that.
Did it start?
Why? Let's taste it and see how we go. Let's go.
To say who you are,
Hi.
take a bite. And
What do you think?
I'll try the blueberry one.
It's nice.
And it says one.
It's yum.
Have what? This is. Are they eating it? The sweet pudding.
What do you reckon, my boy?
So,
It's alright. It's alright.
I think
Is it delish?
it's very good. It's very good.
Is it Tailish?
Let's try this. I'd give this
What do you rate it?
9.
Oh, what about you, Cruzy?
No.
Do you want to try another one?
Go ahead.
8?
Were you good? Don't you eat?
This fat one?
No,
What do you reckon? Try it. Try.
She said it's very good.
Eat it. It's okay, eh? If you guys, we just bond together and stuff.
I'll
have that. Can I have?
Yes.
It's just easier. I think I like it because I would have been like.
I want to try the caramel.
I like how we're cutting them into bites.
Hey, it's good, eh?
But I didn't have any more things. Yeah, it's a bit healthy. It's like
Are we, those ones? Go. I want to try. You go, have which one? Ty, you want to try another one?
I have this chocolate. This is the.
What do you reckon? We're trying caramel. What do you reckon, Timo? It's okay?
Use your words, boy.
Oh, I love the caramel one. Velvet. Oh, okay, it's a chocolate one. This one.
Have you been practicing? Why haven't you done a video
I know it.
That's rich.
I've practiced.
Val, can I have a water, cold water when you come, please? Dang, I know. Honestly, this is why he wants to stay in this room, because there's a mirror here. Hula, 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 hula. Thanks for watching, everyone. We will catch you up later.